Sc.5.E.7.1. Create a model to explain the parts of the water cycle. Water can be a gas, a liquid, or a solid, and can go back and forth from one state to another. Target 1. Observe the parts of the water cycle.
Sometimes in the morning when I go outside, everything's wet. There's drops of water all over the grass, the plants, my Jeep. But when I look in the sky, it's clear. I didn't hear it rain last night, and the sprinklers in the yard don't get water all over the Jeep like this. There must be something going on. In the morning, the sun is just rising in the east. I can feel the heat of the sun on my skin and the cool morning air, and it feels good. Soon, the sun is higher in the sky as the Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours. As the morning goes on, the air temperature increases as a result of the sun's energy. Soon, the drops of water that were all over everything have disappeared. Everything is dry. The sky is blue, the air is warm, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. Just afternoon. I went outside and it's pretty warm out. The sun is picking up a little bit and I saw a few friendly looking clouds that look like cotton balls drifting by overhead. Still a nice day out though. Time for afternoon coffee break. Time to head outside for a stretch. The cotton balls are all over now, but the sky is still very blue. The breeze feels good. It's keeping me cool. I noticed that the breeze is coming from the direction of the beach. When I turned around to see where the wind is going, one of those cotton balls has gotten big, really big, and gray. It doesn't look so friendly anymore. That is a big, dark, gray cloud over there, and it's moving this way. Soon I can hear the rumblings of thunder. The storm is getting closer. The sky is completely gray now, and the wind has changed direction and is picking up. As the storm gets closer, I hear the lightning alarms going off at the schools and golf courses near me. It's time to head inside to stay safe. A few drops of rain begin to fall, then a few more. Soon, the rain is really coming down. Luckily, this storm is moving quickly, and the rain stops after only 20 minutes or so. A heavy wind blows on the backside of the storm, and the lightning crackles a few more times. Soon the storm is gone, and the sun is breaking through the clouds. The all-clear sounds on the lightning alarms. It's okay to go back outside. Everything is wet again. There are puddles on the sidewalks and the streets. Water runs down the storm gutters along the side of the street, falling into the storm drains. As the sun comes out, the air is heavy and humid. The sun soon dries everything up. The last few puddles disappear, and the winds have died down. The air begins to cool as the sun nears the horizon. It's almost sunset. We have just observed the water cycle. The morning dew evaporated as the sun rose, and water in the nearby wetlands evaporated as well. The air warming over the land began to rise, drawing all of that water vapor up into the atmosphere where it cooled and condensed to form those cotton ball cumulus clouds. As more water vapor was drawn up, more energy from the sun was added. Thunderstorms developed. Water droplets got so large that they no longer floated in the clouds, but began to fall as precipitation, raindrops. Water collected on the ground below. Some of it soaked into the ground, some of it was used by plants and animals, and some ran off into collection areas like canals, ponds, and the oceans. The water that was left on the surface of the earth was evaporated when the sun came out, continuing water's journey through the water cycle.